what really truly makes us unique and what we do better than anybody else on the planet is being able to weld that very thin strip of metal and make it flat, smooth, and strong. And it's one of those things that's more art than science. Bell Technologies is a high-tech manufacturing company that's been in business for the last 30 plus years. On one hand, because we're working on cutting-edge technologies, you can start with virtually zero experience, and we have a training program to help get you started.
One of the things, when we bring somebody on board, we're making an investment in that person. And what we're going to do is set them up with the tools they need to succeed. On the manufacturing floor, people are working independently, but they're also interacting with other team members. That could be to get additional training, it could be assisting them in their task, or coordinating multiple tasks that are happening concurrently.
I started at Belt Technologies about 3 years ago. I've been able to move up in the company. When I started, I was actually in buffing, so I was out on the floor with everybody, and then I moved up into coding, into the coding department. So it's actually been really good for me. Seeing the work go out, once you actually finish and see all the belts painted nicely and get out on time, it kind of makes you feel really good. Everything's going out to possibly every kind of production company you could think of. So we're pretty much helping everyone across the US, around the world.
There'll be room for advancement. You have shift opportunities. You could work between first and second shift. You have flex time here, and you have the opportunity to meet pretty good people. The support is awesome here. The support is like an open door type thing where any of the managers or even the front office come out on the floor. We're able to talk to them about our concerns and problems.
I wanted to join the Bell team because of the very convenient hours, so-called mommy hours, very flexible schedule. Everybody's very friendly and helpful. If I'm not sure how to do it, they're not gonna let me mess up. They're gonna tell me exactly how to pack it, how to finish it, where to sign. It's like a team. It is a team.
If you're looking for employment with a growing company that values its employees, manufactures a very interesting product that is used in very exciting and interesting applications, offers a good compensation package, then you should look at Bell Technologies.
Essentially, as we're doing well, the whole point is giving back to the employees. It's very important to me that employees here feel like they're treated with respect. Everybody works together as a team and feels like they're part of one family here. And that's, I think, a key element of why this is a great place to work.